Welcome to this complete Marbella travel guide. Nestled in the heart of Spain's sun-drenched Costa del Sol, Marbella is a city that effortlessly combines the allure of luxury, the charm of history, and the warmth of endless sunshine. This vibrant city is a veritable feast for the senses. From the intoxicating scent of orange blossoms to the captivating rhythm of flamenco, every corner of Marbella whispers stories of its rich past and promises of unforgettable experiences. Marbella is not just another pretty face on the Mediterranean coast. It's a city that has been wooing globetrotters with its balmy climate, stunning architecture, and the tantalizing promise of La Buena Vida, the good life. A place where the old-world charm of Andalusian culture seamlessly merges with the glitz and glamour of modern-day living. So, whether you're a history buff, a sun worshipper, or a luxury seeker, Marbella has something for everyone. Come along as we explore the top 10 must-visit places in Marbella. Our first stop is the enchanting Old Town, also known as Casco Antiguo. Immerse yourself in the vivid spirit of this place. Picture narrow, winding streets that beckon you to explore with surprises at every turn. Imagine cobblestone paths echoing with centuries of stories, framed by whitewashed buildings that gleam under the Spanish sun. There's a unique harmony here, a blend of past and present. Time-worn boutiques flaunt a wealth of artisan crafts, while modern shops offer the latest trends. The air is rich with the scent of traditional Spanish cuisine from local restaurants, mingling with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee from quaint cafes. Pause for a moment. Listen to the soft murmur of conversation, the laughter of locals, the distant strum of a Spanish guitar. This is the heart of Marbella, where history meets the hustle of modern life. A visit to Marbella is incomplete without strolling through the historic Old Town. Next, we head to the glamorous Puerto Banús, the epitome of opulence. This marina is teeming with an array of luxury yachts, each more extravagant than the last. These floating palaces are a testament to the wealth and grandeur that graces the shores of Puerto Banús. As we wander the marina, we're greeted by a parade of high-end boutiques, each housing the latest in haute couture. From Chanel to Louis Vuitton, Gucci to Prada, the world's most iconic fashion houses have all set up shop here. But the allure of Puerto Banús extends beyond its fashion and yachts. This haven for the wealthy is also home to an array of upscale restaurants. Here, culinary delights from around the world are served with a side of stunning views of the Mediterranean. And if you're thinking, I could get used to this life of luxury, well, you wouldn't be the first. Puerto Banús is where luxury meets the Mediterranean. Now, we venture along the scenic Paseo Marítimo. This enchanting promenade is a spectacle of beauty and tranquility, presenting a magnificent stretch where the turquoise Mediterranean meets the golden Spanish coast. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to breathe in the salty sea breeze and let the soft murmur of waves wash away your worries. Stroll under the swaying palms, their fronds whispering stories of sun-kissed afternoons and starlit evenings. Here, every step is a delight, every turn an invitation to discover something new. Quaint cafes dot the promenade, offering a tantalizing array of local delicacies. Imagine sipping on a freshly brewed Spanish coffee or biting into a traditional tapas while watching the sun dip into the sea. Whether you're a morning person eager to catch the first rays of sunlight or a night owl soaking in the magic of the moonlit coast, Paseo Marítimo is always alive with charm. Indeed, Paseo Marítimo is the perfect place for a leisurely stroll. Next, we find ourselves in the heart of the city at Plaza de los Naranjos. This charming square, named for its vibrant orange trees, is a sensory delight. The air is sweet with citrus, and the trees provide a lovely shade, perfect for a leisurely stroll. Around the plaza, historic buildings add a touch of old-world charm, while numerous restaurants serve up local delicacies. It's a place where Marbella's history, culture, and gastronomy intersect. Plaza de los Naranjos is truly the essence of Marbella. Now let's feel the sand between our toes at the stunning beaches of Marbella. We have it all here. From the pristine and tranquil to the vibrant and bustling, a standout is the Playa de Cabopino, a sun-drenched paradise with azure waters, perfect for those seeking a bit of seclusion. Then there's the bustling Nicky Beach, a hub of activity with a variety of water sports to choose from. For a more laid-back experience, consider the Playa de la Bajadilla, a local favorite known for its calm and serene atmosphere. Or perhaps you'd prefer the Playa de San Pedro de Alcantara, with its beautiful promenade lined with eateries and shops. And let's not forget the Playa de la Fontanilla, right in the heart of the city, offering a blend of urban charm and natural beauty. Each beach has its unique charm, catering to different tastes and moods. A trip to Marbella is not complete without a beach day, so grab your sun hat and let's hit the waves. Away from the coast, we find ourselves facing the majestic La Concha mountain. A beacon of natural beauty, it stands tall against the azure Spanish skies. This limestone peak, aptly named La Concha, or the Shell, is a testament to the diversity of Marbella's landscapes. With a height of over 1,200 meters, it's a siren song for hikers and climbers alike. The mountain's trails are a symphony of serenity and challenge, snaking through lush Mediterranean vegetation and offering encounters with local wildlife. As you ascend, the air grows cooler, the silence deeper. And at the peak, the reward is nothing short of breathtaking. Gazing down upon the glimmering coastline and the sprawling cityscape of Marbella, you'll find yourself on top of the world. The experience is a blend of adrenaline and tranquility, a dance between the earth and the sky. So, whether a seasoned hiker or a first-time climber, La Concha Mountain is a haven for nature lovers. Next, we find tranquility in the heart of the city at Alameda Park. Imagine a place where tropical plants flourish, creating a green oasis amidst the hustle and bustle. Gaze in admiration at the intricately designed tiles that adorn the park, each one telling a story of Marbella's rich history. The atmosphere here is serene, a peaceful respite from the city's energetic vibe. Whether you're a lover of nature or a seeker of quiet moments, Alameda Park is the perfect place for a quiet retreat. Now let's swing by the prestigious Marbella Club Golf Resort. Nestled amidst the sun-drenched Costa del Sol, this resort is a beacon of luxury. Its world-class golf course, designed by the legendary Dave Thomas, is a sight to behold. With 18 holes spread across lush green fairways, it's a challenge that even the most seasoned golfers relish. But it's not just about golf. The resort is a symphony of luxury and comfort. Imagine relaxing in the clubhouse, sipping on a glass of the finest Spanish wine, as you take in the panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea and the African coastline, or perhaps indulging in a rejuvenating spa treatment after a fulfilling round of golf. And let's not forget the gastronomic delights. The resort's restaurants serve a tantalizing array of local and international cuisine prepared by some of the finest chefs in Spain. The Marbella Club Golf Resort is a golfer's paradise. Next, we stroll along the artistic Avenida del Mar. This vibrant avenue is a grand outdoor gallery, a meeting point of creativity and public life where art and daily routine intersect seamlessly. Scattered throughout the avenue are 10 unique sculptures, each a masterpiece by the renowned surrealist artist Salvador Dali. These sculptures, with their characteristic mix of dreamy, fantastical and bizarre elements, inject an artistic flair into the bustling avenue. Parallel to the azure Mediterranean Sea, Avenida del Mar is a delightful blend of sun, sea and surrealism. As you walk along, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore becomes a soothing background symphony to your journey. And let's not forget the charming cafes and trendy shops that line the avenue. Whether you're in the mood for a refreshing gelato, a strong espresso, or some retail therapy, Avenida del Mar has got you covered. Avenida del Mar is where art meets the sea. Finally, we end our tour at the fascinating Bonsai Museum. Nestled in the heart of Marbella, this tranquil oasis boasts an impressive collection of bonsai trees. Each tree, meticulously pruned and shaped, is a testament to patience and a celebration of nature's quiet beauty. Beyond the artistry of the bonsai, the museum itself exudes a peaceful atmosphere, making it a perfect spot for contemplation. This confluence of nature and tranquility, that's what the Bonsai Museum offers. The Bonsai Museum is a hidden gem in Marbella. And there you have it, the top 10 places to visit in Marbella, from the charming old town Casco Antiguo to the vibrant Puerto Banús and the serene beaches to the majestic La Concha mountain. We've strolled along Avenida del Mar, admired the bonsai, and even had a swing at Marbella Club Golf Resort. This is the essence of Marbella, a blend of history, luxury, nature, and culture. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Marbella. Until next time, safe travels.